Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Let's solve today's Leetcode problem. 2154. Keep multiplying found values by 2. You are given an array of integer nums. You are also given an integer original, which is the first number that needs to be searched for in nums. You then do the following steps. If original is found in nums, multiply it by 2. Okay. Otherwise, stop the process. Repeat this process with the new number as long as you find the number. Return the final value of original. Okay. So let's look at this example. We have been given nums as this particular array and original is 3. Okay. We have to check whether original contains in the array or not. Yes, original contains in the array. So whenever we found the original, we have to multiply it by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6, which is 6. Now again we have to check whether 6 exists in this array or not. Answer is yes, 6 exists in this array. So again we have to multiply it by 2. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Is 12 exist in this array or not? Yes. So again we have to multiply it by 2. 24. Is 24 exist in this array? No. Whenever the original does not exist in the given array, then we have to return this value. Okay. So let's first look at the constraints. Whenever we are solving Leetcode problems or whenever you are giving any interview, the constraints are very much important. Okay. So as you can see here, the length of the nums is actually thousands. Okay, which is pretty less. Okay. So looking at the constraints, straight away applying the brute force would actually work. Okay. So let me show you the brute force approach first. Okay. So as long as my original contains in the given array, then I have to multiply it by 2, right? So as long as my original contains in the array, I am multiplying it by 2. Whenever my original is not part of nums, then I have to return it. So that is what I have implemented here. So how does exist function look like? So I am just iterating to the entire array and checking whether my original is equal to any one of its number. Whenever I find a number which is equal to original, then I am straight away returning true, or else in the end I will return false. Even if you submit this particular approach, the solution will actually work, and it is actually pretty efficient, and it beats 100% of solution in terms of time complexity. Okay. So there are also other approaches to also solve this problem. Let me show you. So the other approach would be, instead of searching each and every time in the entire array, what we can do, we can utilize some extra space and store all the elements in a set. Okay. So first we store all the elements in the set, and then we actually check the original in the set. Okay. We check the algorithm will still remain the same. As long as my original contains in my set, I have to multiply it by 2, or else have to return the original number, right? So even this approach also works. Okay. So yeah, that's all about this problem. I highly recommend all the viewers to subscribe to my channel so that you won't be missing the daily content which I'm posting. Let's grow together by solving Leetcode problem one at a day. Thank you.